Assets, the valuable things owned by the business, are called assets. Every business owns and possesses assets. These assets differ on the basis of the size and the nature of the business. Each firm has cash with it, cash in hand, and cash at bank. There will be stock of goods within the business. A plant, machinery, building, furniture, vehicles, all these are assets of a business. So, assets are valuable resources owned by a business which are acquired through money. These assets are classified into 7 types: fixed assets, current assets, fictitious assets, tangible assets, intangible assets, wasting assets, and liquid assets. Fixed assets. In detail, assets acquired for long-term use. These are fixed assets. They are not meant for sale. Example: furniture, land, building, etc. Current assets. These assets are known as circulating, fluctuating, or floating assets because they change their value constantly. Example for these assets are cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, stock, etc. because they are always changing and fluctuating. Next one is the fictitious assets. Fictitious assets are those assets which do not have physical form. They do not have any real value. Actually, they are not the real assets, but they are called assets on legal and technical ground. These assets are the revenue expenditure of capital nature, which are also termed as deferred revenue expenditure. The example of these assets are loss on issue of shares, advertising expense, and preliminary expenses. Next one is tangible assets. Assets having physical existence which can be seen and touched are known as tangible assets, like land, building, plant, equipment, furniture, stock, etc. Certain times, cash and cash equivalents like treasury bills, commercial papers, money market funds, all these are also considered as tangible assets. Intangible assets. These are the assets which are not normally purchased and sold in the open market, such as goodwill and patents. It does not mean that these assets are never purchased and sold. They may be purchased and sold in special circumstances. Next one is wasting assets. Assets whose value goes on declining with the passage of time are known as wasting assets. Mines, patents, and assets taken on lease are examples for wasting assets. Next one is liquid assets. Liquid assets are those which can be converted into cash at short notice. Example: cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, bills receivable, etc. That's all about assets and its classification. Thanks for watching. It's time to say goodbye. See you soon.